College placement season is here, and if you are a part of the final year, then the only thing that might be on your mind right now is getting a job. Getting a job as soon as possible. And why wouldn't it be? You have spent 3 years trying to study as hard as you can so that you can get a job. Now's the time when all of that will be put to test. But wait, before that, there are some things you need to learn about the placement season. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you everything about the placement season, especially the things that you need to know if you want to crack a job. So without any further delay, let us begin. Section 1. What is a placement drive? Placement drive is a recruitment process where companies visit colleges to hire students for job roles. These are typically conducted by the college's training and placement cell, often during the final year of graduation. But the companies aren't looking for the cream of the crop. They want competent employees who can contribute to the company's goals. So if you don't have prior experience, don't worry. There are plenty of opportunities for everyone. Now, before diving into the preparation strategies, it's crucial to understand the different types of placement drives. There are 3 major types. On campus, companies come to your college directly. Off campus, you apply to jobs outside your college. Pool campus, students from multiple colleges attend a joint recruitment drive. Each placement drive has multiple stages, and understanding the full process is the first step towards success. Section 2. Steps in a typical placement drive. Now that you know what is a placement drive, let us understand how it works. Let us break down the full step-by-step process of a typical campus. Placement drive. A placement drive generally involves several rounds. First comes registration. This is where you provide your basic information and indicate the roles you're interested in. Next, you submit your resume. This is your chance to showcase your skills and experiences. So make sure it's clear and highlights your key projects and skills. After this, there might be a pre-placement talk by the company representatives. They'll tell you about the company culture, the job role, and the package. Then comes the online test. This could be an aptitude test, coding test, or technical MCQs, depending on the company and the role. If you perform well in the online test, you might move on to the next round, which is the group discussion. Not all companies use this round, but it's a great opportunity to show off your communication and teamwork skills. Now comes the technical interview. This focuses on your technical abilities, testing your core subjects like DBMs, data structures, OS, and your projects. Here you'll be assessed on your problem-solving abilities and technical knowledge. Finally, there might be an HR interview. This assesses your personality, communication, attitude, and cultural fit. If you clear all these rounds, you'll receive an offer letter. Congratulations, you've cracked the placement. Section 3. Important placement exams and platforms. Many companies now use third-party platforms to conduct their initial screening tests. Let us look at some of the major ones. TCSNQT, conducted by Tata Consultancy Services, accepted by multiple companies. AMCAT offers skill assessments in aptitude, English, and domain-specific areas. CoCubes, similar to AMCAT, used by mid-sized IT and service companies. eLitmus, tougher but valued by product companies. It tests problem-solving and logical reasoning. Those aspiring to land in product companies, eLitmus. HackerRank, CodeChef, HackerEarth. These are popular platforms used by companies to assess coding and algorithmic skills. Infitic, Infosys's own platform for hiring through programming and database questions. Scoring well in these assessments opens doors to many job interviews. Section 4. Top companies that hire through campus placements. Every year, some of the top companies in India hire thousands of fresh graduates through campus placements. These include TCS IT Services, Digital Roles, Infosys System Engineer, Specialist Programmer, Wipro Project Engineer, Turbo Roles, Capgemini, Cognizant, and Accenture Consulting and IT Services. Deloitte, KPMG EY Business Analysts, Tech Consulting, Amazon, Flipkart, Google, and Tier 1 colleges. And these are just the tip of the iceberg. Numerous startups and established companies actively participate in campus placements. Additionally, many companies have relaxed hiring policies, valuing relevant experience over strict academic cutoffs. So keep your options open and explore all opportunities. The The packages offered during campus placements vary greatly depending on the role, performance, and company. Typically, campus placements range from 3 LPA to 12 LPA. Section 5. How to prepare for placement drives. Here's a roadmap to help you navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Aptitude preparation. Most companies assess aptitude skills, especially for IT roles. This includes arithmetic, logical reasoning, and verbal ability. Use platforms like IndiaBix Prepinsta or Testbook. Coding and problem solving. Focus on languages like C++, Java, or Python. Practice data structures and algorithms, HackerRank, and code forces. Step 3. Core subjects revision. Revise your core subjects like DBMS, operating systems, computer networks, and OOPS. Prepare short notes and ensure you understand the basics well. This will help you in technical interviews. Step 4. Resume building. Craft a compelling resume that includes internships, projects, certifications, and relevant skills. Keep it to 1 page and ensure it's free of any grammatical errors. A well-formatted resume can help you stand out. Step 5. Mock interviews and soft skills. Prepare for mock interviews to practice your responses to common HR questions like "Tell me about yourself" and "Why should we hire you?" Improve your English speaking skills, body language, and maintain good eye contact. Section 6. Interview cracking tips. When you reach the interview stage, remember these tips. Tip 1. Stay honest. Don't fake knowledge. It's okay to admit if you don't know something. Tip 2. Be confident, not arrogant. Speak clearly and stay calm. Tip 3. Use the STAR method for HR questions. STAR stands for situation, task, action, result. Tip 4. Ask questions. Asking intelligent questions about the company or role shows genuine interest. Tip 5. Research the company, its products, services, and recent news. This demonstrates your interest and initiative. Tip 6. Dress professionally. Tip 7. Follow up. Send a thank you note after the interview. This can leave a positive final impression. Remember, your technical knowledge will get you in the room, but your communication will get you the job. Now we know the importance of campus placements and how to crack them. Before I wrap up this video, let me tell you something. This is a very crucial period in your life. The decisions that you take right now will define a big chunk of your future. But it is also important for you to understand that everyone's journey is different. So even if you get a job or you don't, it does not mean that your life is over. There are multiple paths to success. Sometimes you just need to take the longer route. So focus on what is in your control, which is studying hard and giving it your best shot. Everything else will follow. That's all from my side for today, guys. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Do let me know in the comments section, what topic should I cover next? Thanks for watching, and all the best for your placement season.